Hello, my name is Jesus Casas and I am a video game programmer, specializing primarily in Unity Engine C Sharp while also being experienced in Unreal Engine's visual scripting. I've worked on many aspects of programming, spanning over multiple projects, with roles all relating to programming gameplay mechanics and systems. As you can see on screen, I have a list of skills and tools that I have prior experience in, with skills being related to mechanics that I've had the pleasure of developing in the past, with those being player movement, player mechanics, enemy AI, scoring systems, and menuing systems, along with the tools on the right side that I've already mentioned earlier in this presentation, with those tools being experience in the Unity engine, the Unreal Engine, C Sharp, and Unreal's visual scripting. Scrolling down here shows 5 of the main projects that display my wide range of experience within the field of video game programming, with each one being a different theme and genre from one another. Starting off with Soul Detective, a third person adventure game currently still in development, with the player playing as a detective in purgatory. As you can see here, I have a list of things that I've done while working on this project, with those being development of the player and camera movements, telekinesis and possession, which is demonstrated within this video along with the weapon wheel mechanic that I developed as well. Along with the game's X-ray vision mechanic, XP system, and enemy AI and tracking. Moving on from Soul Detective, up next I would like to demonstrate the project titled 7am, the first-person camera-based subtle horror game where the objective is to shoot multiple targets in order to escape from the ghost following you. A quick list of what I did for this project is on screen now, with that being the first-person player movement and camera, the AI for the roaming ghost, the shooting mechanics for both destroying the targets and stunning the ghost, and the scoring for when the targets are destroyed. Here's a quick view of the game's build, with all the mechanics I just explained. Along with an example of the code that I wrote for the shooting projectile mechanic. Moving on to the next project, I would like to demonstrate the Project Mario World Recreation, which is a 2D based game and a recreation of the game Mario World within the Unity engine. Being the only coder for this project, I was responsible for all of the player's movements and mechanics, the 2 different enemy types AI, along with the in-game pickups and power-ups. Here's a quick look at the game's first and second levels. Along with an example of code that I wrote for the player's controller. From here, I would like to move on to the final project that I will be presenting, and that is the project titled Catastrophe. This is an orthographic camera view-based game within the Unity engine, with the player's objective being to push objects to the ground while playing as a cat within their owner's home. I was responsible for the player's movements, the object pushing mechanic, the development and design of the round system, along with the scoring system and menu functionality. Here's a video of the game in engine. along with a preview of the orthographic player controller that I developed. Overall, while presenting and explaining the work I've done for these projects, my goal was to show how versatile my experience in game development is. From having worked on first person 3D, to third person, to 2D side scrolling, to orthographic, I feel that I was able to go beyond in accomplishing that goal. Thank you for watching.